Hi, my name is Colin Whitaker, and today I'm going to be showing you some modifications we've done to our office building to make it safe for employees to return to work. So first off, obviously you can see we've created some temporary dividers. You'll see these all throughout the building actually. And in our lobby we have this UV array right here. And what this does is it shines UV light up onto the ceiling, and as air circulates through this room, it sterilizes it. So right now we're in our estimating department. We have an air handler up there that has a bipolar ionization device in it, and that serves this entire area. And there's a second air handler up in the attic that serves our engineering department, and that also has a bipolar ionization device. You can also see we built some more temporary barriers to help keep people from spreading germs to each other. So right now we're up on our roof. Here's one of our rooftop units that serves our payroll department and our marketing department. So there's three main ways to clean air. The first is going to be dilution. You can't see what we've done here just by looking at these components because we had to do a whole program where we set up a purge cycle, well actually 2 purge cycles a day. So from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. these units bring in much more outdoor air than normal to kind of dilute all the pollutants that might have got into the building. The next step is filtration. So you see we have these upgraded filters. The standard would be a MERV 8, but we've upgraded them to MERV 13s. So they catch smaller particles. And the third method of cleaning the air is sanitization. So there's 2 main methods to use right now. There's UV light, and there's also a new technology called bipolar ionization. We actually chose to use mostly bipolar ionization in our building because one, the components are much more readily available. And also they do a lot more than the UV. The UV just kills, mold, bacteria, viruses, but the bipolar ionization does all of that, plus it gets rid of smells, it helps eliminate volatile organic compounds from the air, so it really brings your air quality up. Right here in this cabinet, this is where the bipolar ionization device is. So basically what you do is it has a little probe on it, and you insert that into the airstream, and it kind of just electrically charges the oxygen molecules in there, and those ions can actually destroy, viruses, mold, any kind of pathogen. But if it doesn't destroy them, what it can do is it kind of makes everything magnetized and stick together into bigger clumps. So either it falls out of the airstream, or it gets caught by our improved filters here. What we had in there, that's fairly typical of most of our rooftops. We have 5. I think 4 of them have the devices mounted inside the actual cabinet. However, for this one, we got a much bigger size because it serves a lot bigger area, and we actually had to mount that inside the duct down in the basement. So we can go check that out now. So earlier when we were up on the roof, I pointed out one rooftop unit that did not have an in-cabinet bipolar ionization device. That was the rooftop unit that serves this entire accounting area here. Instead, we put an induct-mounted bipolar ionization device. This one is made by Atmos Air and is called a Matterhorn. So here we are in our lower level out in our warehouse. This is where some of our air handler units are, and you can see here it's just another typical installation of one of these bipolar ionization devices. It's mounted inside the cabinet, but we have inserted the probe into the actual airstream there. And again, what that does is it kind of charges the air, helps things stick together, or completely neutralizes bacteria, viruses, molds, things of that nature. The current climate, I think most people are just worried mostly about air quality in the office, but in order to reduce the amount of common surfaces people have to touch, we have also changed out all of our bathroom fixtures to touchless faucets, as you can see. So this is a brand new challenge for a lot of people. Some people don't even know what they want. We can help you from design to installation all the way to maintenance. if you're interested in getting any of these upgrades done at your building, please send us an email or give us a call at the number or email in the comments.